Hi everyone, in a previous video, we reviewed a digital gauge with 1/8 PCP threads. Today, we're taking a look at the Segment 25 STD pressure gauge, this time with M8 threads. Let's unbox it and see what it has to offer. First, we have the user manual. Here's the gauge itself. Its screen is not illuminated. A short touch displays the battery level, and a long press turns it off. These small boxes contain some essential seals and the USB charging cable. This cable has a magnetic connector for easy attachment. Before installing gauge, it's crucial to ensure the gun is degassed for safety. In this gun, the gauge is located under dust cover, so I have to unscrew it to change the gauge. M8 threads, specifically designed for PCP airguns like the Air Venturi Avenger, AA rifles, early versions of FX Impact DRS, and Western airgun Sidewinder. Many Chinese airgun like this Snow Peak P15 has the same threads. It is easy to screw in this new Segment digital gauge. Installation is completed. Let's fill the gun. Alright, to demonstrate the gauge responsiveness, let's perform some dry fires.